Hi, welcome to a series of videos called YouTube Success. I'm going to show you some tools that are invaluable for using and promoting products on YouTube. I'm looking at this purely a commercial venture, so let's just get going and show you this tool. Okay, here's the tool. It's called Magic YouTube Extractor. And I've been using it for, I think, about 18 months, 2 years now. Now, I've been in affiliate and internet marketing for about 10 years now, and YouTube for the past 3. I bought loads of tools and most of them are rubbish. This is one of the very few that is huge value if you're trying to sell or make any sort of money using YouTube. Okay, now let me just demonstrate what it does. Okay, now what it is really a keyword tool. It's called Magic YouTube Extractor, but what it is helping you find keywords to create your videos on to get the most traffic. Now, what lots of people do is look for keywords that are very simple and look like you're going to make you lots of money. So, for instance, weight loss is a great keyword, and it will bring you loads and loads of views. But there's also lots and lots of competition, and you won't rank on that unless you've got a huge channel with millions of subscribers. Now, so what do you do if you haven't got that? Well, one option is to use YouTube Extractor. Let me just give you a run through this program. It really is good. Okay, right, so I'm going to harvest some keywords. So what I'm going to do now is tell it, you have to set this up initially. It uses AdWords to pull in some words and a variety of little programs to check the keywords. So let me say, look, let's look at, I don't know, growing orchids. Can we make money online about growing orchids? I'm sure we can. I've not run this before. Orchids, buy. Always put some really good keywords in that will actually make money, like buy or where can I find, that sort of thing. Okay, let's just click this. What it's going to do now, it's going to harvesting keywords. Okay, so it's the first stage of this program. It'll go and look for keywords to harvest that you can use based on my input. I'm just going to pause it for a few seconds while it does that, because it's kind of not very exciting. Okay, YouTube Extractor has done the first phase of the harvest keyword, and based on my orchid keywords. And if you look down here, you'll see loads of useful information. So we've got things like orchid, growing orchids, buy orchids. You see here we've got a monthly searches column, which is based on the AdWords search volume. Just always take this with a pinch of salt, but it gives you an idea of how many people are searching for these. See, buy orchids might look quite good. Orchids for sale, 9,900 looks a pretty good keyword. So you might think, right, I can make a YouTube video and call it orchids for sale. Could do quite well. A lot of searches. This next column is the bid value. Now that's quite important as well, because that's the best indicator we've got of commercial value. You can see here the top bid. Those are a rough estimate of the bid that people have got to do for page 1. So what people are paying for a click on these. You can see there's some quite expensive clicks there for different orchid related ones. See, send sympathy flowers and stuff there. Okay, so this information is fine, but you can get this from AdWords. You can all the tool is doing is going to AdWords. So your AdWords account can do all this. It's quite a nice little interface, but nothing very exciting. But the next phase is, and I'm going to show you now how to use this information to pick exactly what to target. Right, so let's just minimize this. I'm going to have to start another quick program here called Extractor. Now, I use this tool. It's a VPN tool that hides your IP address. Now, you'll find with a lot of SEO tools, you can't just use your own IP address. I use this, okay? It basically, I can set it to rotate my IP address every minute or so. So when I'm doing these multiple searches and resources against things like Google and Bing and stuff like that, it comes up with a different IP address each time. Now, Extractor is fine for doing your own personal little ones for small runs. If you're looking at tens of thousands of keywords, don't use this. It'll get it's not designed for that. If you're looking on a real massive scale, you've got to look at proxies, getting your own private proxies, which you can input into Magic YouTube Extractor. Anyway, let me just connect here. I'm going to connect, and it's going to give me a different IP address every 2 minutes. I've set it at here. There we go. Let's give me an American one first. Let's go back to YouTube Extractor. And this is the magic bit here. What we're going to do now is get the competition. And it's going to fill out this last column here, which is YouTube. So I'll just click the Get YouTube. If I didn't have my IP address rotating, because it's checking with YouTube on the doing loads and loads of requests, you just get blocked. So you have to use private proxies or something like a rotating VPN. Okay, so it's checking now. I'm just going to pause the video. It takes 3 or 4 minutes, so I'll just minimize that now. Okay, so our keyword tools finished. Magic YouTube Extractor has gone and looked at all the competition for these keywords it's found. And this is really useful information. Now, this is basically looking at the SEO properties of a YouTube video. What it's looking for, if any YouTube video has been configured with the most important keyword part in the title. So if you've got a YouTube video called flower delivery, we can see here, we've got your competition, your effective competition, somebody who's configured their video for that keyword. There's 3,030 for YouTube videos with that. So that means it's extremely difficult to get into the top 10. You've got to beat these 3,000 videos. Some of them will be through big channels about flowers and stuff like that. It's going to be really difficult. It's not what Magic YouTube Extractor is about. It's looking for the low-lying fruit, the easy keywords that nobody has actually targeted. So this is the YouTube competition here. Now we can see straight away there's something pretty interesting here. We've got orchid tree care. YouTube competition, 0. There's no other YouTube video with orchid tree care in the title. You do a video, do a quick demonstration video, put that in, you should appear on the first page. So you do the basic SEO. So put the title, orchid tree care in the title, and in the description and the tags, you'll be up there. But there's not much volume there. But if you can do a quick video, you'll get some reliable traffic based on that keyword. Let's just sort these through. Right, now here what we've done is we've sorted through the top, and at the bottom we've got massive competition, huge amounts of videos. You're never ever going to compete with those. You can see they're mostly single words right at the bottom, but even going up further, excuse me, you'll find there's a lot of competition for some of these videos. Okay, but what we're looking for is the ones with 0 competition. Basically, if you create a video with the title, description and tags in here, you should get on the top page. Now I've been using it for ages. Very occasionally it doesn't, but no keyword, no competition, you'll get in the top 10. How much traffic will depend on the monthly searches, obviously, but what the trick is to perhaps look at a combination. Now look here, we see pruning orchids, which has got 1,600 monthly searches. People are paying money to bid on the keyword, and there's no competition whatever. So I create a video, entitle it Pruning Orchids. I'll get in the top of the YouTube search results. Now this is the YouTube search results, not the Google ones. You're advised to probably go one step further and try and get rankings in Google, but this is just YouTube. But if you want to do them quick and create traffic generating videos, use this. Just look for anything without any competition and like a bit of traffic, you know. So move down here. Let me see if we can find some more. Lots of these are quite low traffic ones, but you will find some gems there. Orchid care after flowering. There you go. 1,000 monthly searches. Quite a lot of traffic. No competition whatsoever. Buy orchids online cheap. Very low monthly searches, but there's a real buying set of keywords there if you've got any orchids. So no competition. Just create a video. even a simple advert video, and put "Buy Orchids Online Cheap" as the title. Put it in the description and upload it to YouTube. And then forget about it, put your affiliate link or a link to a florist or whatever deal you've got. I'm using orchids, it's probably not the easiest one to market, but you know your own niche, put them in there. It's wonderful. I have created hundreds and hundreds of videos using this tool, and I used to target other keywords, but now I target keywords with no competition. It really does work. Here's another one, Orchis Italic plant for sale. I have no idea what that is, but it's got no competition. You could even find good keywords and go and find affiliate links and offers to combine with it. So that's it. That's Magic YouTube Extractor. You can find the link that comes with loads and loads of bonuses showing you how to set up your videos, how to do the SEO on them. Video SEO is not that hard, but it's all in the bonuses. Look at the link in the description there. Click on it and have a look. This is a whole business. This really is. This program can form a whole business on its own. You don't need pretty much anything else. I mean, the main thing you've got to create is a way of creating videos. There's loads of options for that. You can record on screen like I'm doing here, stick PowerPoint presentations. There's things called Powtoons and Camtasia that you can do videos quite easily. Click and drag. Animoto is another one needs to check out. So you can create, there's plenty of tools to create the video very easily. As I mentioned, to get this last YouTube competition, you need either proxies or a rotating VPN is the one I use. It's called Identicloak. If you want to try it out with this tool, there's a 10-day trial, and there's a discount code in link below as well. So give it a go. Any questions you've got, I'll be more than happy to answer them, because I really do use this tool all the time. I'm not just promoting it for affiliate sales. I use this. It works. You can create a business with this. Okay, right, I'm going to finish that now before it gets too boring, and thank you very much for watching. It's Magic YouTube Extractor, folks. Bye-bye.